If you are a crypto signal provider, then you definitely need this video, because this video is actually going to make your work 100 times easier when it comes to providing signals to your audience. Yes, you heard me right. Instead of always going into your Telegram groups to go type your signals directly, well, you can simply make everything become easier by automating the whole process, whereby your signals get sent automatically to your trading groups without you having to do it yourself. Well, you heard me right. Bitget has actually make it easier for you signal providers to automatically send signals to your trading community by just connecting your Telegram communities, like your Telegram group, straight to your Bitget account, so that whenever you place a trade or whenever you set a trade, the signals get sent automatically to your trading group, like the one you can see on your screen right now. So if you really want to know how you can set this up, then I advise you watch this video to the very end. Let me share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually connect your Telegram group to your Bitget account, so that whenever you place a trade, the signal will get sent automatically to your trading group. But hear me out, this is not automated, because you have to hit on the publish button on your Bitget account before it gets sent to your audience. So with this already said, and without taking much of your time, why not, let's get straight into today's video. Let me show you how you can do that pretty much easily. So hello guys, now that we are on my screen, let me just take you straight and share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can start supplying signals to your crypto signal buyers without having to stress yourself by typing numbers repeatedly. All you simply have to do is that set it up inside your Bitget application, and then it automatically gets sent to your Telegram channel. So let me just share with you how you can actually do that. So firstly, you need to open up Bitget. So now let me just open up Bitget. Now here's my Bitget account, as you can actually see. Now once you open it up like this, you can see within this area where there are, you can see reward, gift, invite, gift, copy, launch pool, and then more. All you simply have to do is simply click on where it says copy. Now once you click on copy, next up is simply, you see this area where they say new users only 200 USDT claim giveaway. So within this area here, you simply have to scroll over here where they show this display ad, and then you are going to see where it says Telegram X copy trading. So all you simply have to do is that simply click on it, and then Bybit is going to send you to a home page where you get a button to actually do that. Now on this page, they actually break down every single thing you need to know in order to actually apply for this signal provider system, and they get to provide signals separately. So I'll advise you to read through to make sure that you obey every single thing here. Personally, I've already done that, so I know every single process that I need to actually set it up successfully. And you can also follow my video as well. So now I'll just click on where it says try now. Now this one will take you straight to the Bitget application again, where you have to fill in your information. So now over here, your display name. So you can see this is the username I have on here on Bitget. Press also, and what you can simply do is I can simply change it to whatever name you actually want to change it to. So for me personally, I'm not going to change my display name, so I'm just leaving it like that. Now over here, you simply tell a little information about yourself so that people can easily know who you are. So after you type this in here like this, next up you simply click on where it says bind now. Now when you click on that place, it's actually going to take you to Telegram, where you have to fill in your Telegram information, and this is really important. So I'll just click on next. Now over here, you need to log in your Telegram account that you actually, maybe you have a group already created there, so you need to connect that group to Bitget. And to do that, you simply have to put in the telephone number in here. So this is the number. After that, simply hit on next. Now they are going to send code to it. You can see they've sent it over here. We've just sent you a message. Please confirm access via Telegram. So I'm just going to open up Telegram, and then I'll just log in. Now you can see it over here. Now all you simply have to do is that simply click on where it says confirm right now, and then hit on the confirm button. Now you see it shows accepted. They say you have successfully logged in to use Telegram widgets. So now after this, come over here again, and you can see it has been approved over here. Then you simply have to hit on where it says accept. Now after this, you need to go through your verification phase. So I'm just going to get my verification code right now. So for here, hit on paste, and then hit on confirm. Now once you fill in this information, the next thing simply have to do, simply hit on where it says apply now. Profile content must not contain, profile content must not contain the following characters. So let me make sure that I've not used any other character that is not accepted. So let me just hit on apply now. Now you can see that I've actually applied. Now you see I have my own dashboard here. So now when you start supplying your signals, this is where they are going to show you the number of subscribers you have in your Telegram channel, your statistic like your win rate, your losses, how many signals have you sent, and they made it so easy for you to get evidence of whatever signals that you've sent, so that when people say you are not supplying good signals, you can simply show them the screenshot from this dashboard, which will show that what you are really legit, because this Bitget's own platform. So now once you arrive here, the next thing you simply have to do is click on where it says bind Telegram group. So now they say get passcode to bind. So now the next thing you need to do here is simply click on where it says get passcode to bind. So I'll just click on it. Now here are the information you need to follow. It says check if you are the owner or administrator of the group and has the permission to add new administrator. So you have to create your own group and make sure that you are the admin of whatever group that you actually want to add to it. So here are the information you simply have to follow over here. And then here is it. They say step 2, add bot. So you need to add Bitget bot to it. So they say you should search for this thing here, Bitget underscore signal underscore bot. So you can simply click here to copy the bot name. So I'll just copy it. Now I'll come over to Telegram and then I'll log in. Now I'll go over to that particular group that I actually want to use. So let me say this is the group I want to connect it to. I'll just come over here and then click on where it says add owner. And then simply search for the Bitget bot name. Now here is it, is the first one officially here, so make sure you check it carefully to make sure you don't add a different bot. Now after that, hit on the check mark and then it says show the last 100 message to Bitget signal group. Just click on add. Now once you add it, you need to change the access actually. So they've given you the access you need to give to it. So they say add the bot as an administrator. So you need to make the bot an administrator in the group. So I'll just click on it again. And then long press on it and then you can see promote to admin. So you can simply click on promote to admin. And then all these other information here, just leave them the way they are. And then click on check. Now has access to message. So you can see admin. So you've now made a bot an admin. Now after that, yes, the next thing you need to do here is to get the passcode. I said tap the button below to copy the message, get key. So simply click on this area here to copy the message. Come over to your Telegram group and then paste it in here. So now you can see that the bot has automatically generated the key. And once you see this key generated, know that what your Telegram channel is officially connected. And for you to confirm, all you simply have to do is that come over here. And then you can see crypto. You can see that the group has been connected here. You can see sending status normal, trading bot language. Now you need to set the language. So maybe if you are not sending your signals in English, you can simply change it. They have a lot of language over here. So for me it's English, so I'll just set it to English. And then that's simply all. Now you have your group connected. Now you can connect as many groups as possible. There's no limit to it. So now if you come over here, you can see that it shows here that what group has been connected. Now what you can simply do is that in order not to let our new users or your users see this message, you can simply just select them and then just delete for all members. Just delete those messages up. Now you can see that your Telegram this thing is clear. So now all you simply have to do if you want to send the signals is simply come over to publish signal. Now over here, you simply have to click on this drop down here to actually select, to actually look at the chart, or you can click over here to select the pair you want to trade. So maybe I want to send signal on BTC USD. So maybe I want to send signals on BTC USD. Now I will just say entry price, and then you select whether you want to buy or sell. So I'm going for long, and then my leverage, I'm using 10x leverage. Investment ratio, so how many percent are you willing to risk? So let me say I'm risking just 20%. And then my take profit level, so if I'm entering at 61,000, let me say I want to get that at 65,000. So normally before you start trading, you have to do your analytics and then know where you want to enter and where you want to exit. So over here you need to enter your stop loss as well. So the stop loss, let me say if I'm entering at 61,000, maybe I want to get that at 58,000. Okay. So I want to get that at 58,000. So you just setting the informations over here. So you can even lower it to 59,000, and then so you can just set it up here. Once you put in every information like this, now there are for some traders who normally use take profit 1 and take profit 2. Well, you can also set them in here. So for me personally, I don't want to set all of that, so I'll just click on the delete button here to delete this section off. So now I only have take profit 1, which is the normal one that I normally set. Then after this, I'll just click on where it says publish. Now if you come over to your Telegram right now, you see that the signal has been published over here. So now let me show it to you. So now you can see everything has been published. You can see Bitget certified signal posted, long BTC USD, leverage 10s, signal expiration time 2024 October 31st, which is the end of October. Entry price is this, and then total investment capital 20% of the copy trading fund used. So now once you set everything out, it's simply this simple. Now you see your signal will be published. Now whosoever want to place this trade don't have to go and type in the figures manually either. They simply have to click on it, it says copy trade now, and then open up. Now this one will also take them straight into their Bitget account, where they can simply just get into the trade. That's simple. You can see once they come over here, click on copy, accept, or once they accept this, they simply have to log in, and then they will get the trade automatically. So you know I'm the one who sent the signal, so there's no way I can use that feature again. So now you can see it's that simple. Now you can see it over here. You can see that the information is stated here. So if this trade goes well, good. If it doesn't go well, also good. You are going to see all your data, everything being analyzed here for you. And this is 100% simple and an easy way for you to actually send signal to your community. So with this already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So have a nice day. Bye.